Hello everyone, this is Mamta Mom and today we learn and solve questions 1 to 10 of exercise 3A of third chapter. Chapter name is Playing with Numbers of class 6 of Composite Mathematics textbook. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel then please subscribe my YouTube channel and use the bell icon for getting notification of future videos. Please share and subscribe more and I will upload more videos according to your topics. Let's get started and solve some questions. What we will learn today? Today we will learn and solve exercise 3A questions 1 to 10 of chapter Playing with Numbers, and topics are simplification of expression, Verma's rules, types of brackets, parentheses or circular brackets, curly brackets and square brackets, and order of brackets. Let's solve some questions. Verma's rules. Bracket. First is B for brackets. First bracket operation performed. First parenthesis, that is the circular bracket, then curly bracket and then square bracket performed. Then B O. O for off. Off means product operation performed. Then M. B O D. D for division. Then M for multiplication. Division and multiplication have equal priority, so they perform from left to right. Then AS. A for addition and S for subtraction. Addition and subtraction operation both have equal priority, so they perform from left to right. This is the Verma's rules. Now we solve question number 6, and question number 6 is simplified. 27 division of 8 plus 20 division of 5 minus 3. 20 division of 5 minus 3 is inside the parenthesis, and 8 plus 20 division of 5 minus 3 the whole within curly bracket. So according to Verma's rule, first bracket operation is performed, then curly bracket. So 20 division of 5 minus 3, this inside the parenthesis, that is will be performed. So 20 division of 5 minus 3. So according to Verma's rule, first division will be performed, as division at higher priority than subtraction. So 20 division of 5 is 4. Then 4 minus 3. Then subtraction operation will be performed. 4 minus 3 is 1. Then 8 plus 1, that is inside the curly bracket. 8 plus 1 is 9. Then 27 division of 9 is 3. So value of this expression is 3. Now we solve question number 7. Question number 7 is simplified. 5 multiplication of 18 division of 8 minus 5. 8 minus 5 is with bar, and 18 division of 8 minus 5 division with bar, that is inside the parenthesis, minus 30. The whole is inside the curly bracket, plus 2 multiplication of 10, 2 multiplication with 10 division of 5. This is the expression. First, according to Verma's rule, first vinculum or bar operation performed, then parenthesis, that is the circular bracket, then curly bracket, then square bracket. Here, first vinculum or bar operation performed. So 8 minus 5 is 3. Then 18 division of 8 minus 3, that is with bar. 18 division of 8 minus 3 is 8 minus 3 is 8 minus 5 is 3. So 18 division of 3, that is inside the parenthesis. So first parenthesis operation performed. 18 division of 3 is 6. So 5 multiplication of 6 minus 30, that is inside the curly bracket. So then after curly bracket operation performed, 5 multiplied with 6 is 30. 30 minus 30 is 0. curly bracket operation perform. Then plus 2 multiplication of 10 division of 5. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority, so equal priority operation are performed from left to right. So first multiplication operation will be performed. 2 multiplication of 10 is 20. Then division 5. Then division operation will be performed. 20 division of 5 is 4. Then 0 plus 4. Then addition operation will be performed. 0 plus 4 is 4. So value of this expression is 4. Now we solve question number 8. Question number 8 is a multiple choice question. Add parentheses to make the equation 5 plus 7 multiplied with 2 minus 3 equal to 21 correct. Where we have to place the parentheses, that is we have to find out. First operation, these are four options are there. Then we first will solve this first option. That is 5 plus 7 multiplied with 2. 7 multiplied with 2 is inside the parenthesis minus 3. And we have to find out the value of this expression is 21 or not. If 21, then that is the correct option, and if it is not 21, then that is the incorrect option. So first 5 plus 7 multiplied with 2 minus 3. This is the expression and we have to solve this expression. According to Bodmas rule, first bracket operation performed. So 7 multiplied with 2 is 14. Then 5 plus 14 minus 3. And according to Bodmas rule, first division, addition and subtraction have equal priority. So equal priority operation are performed from left to right. So 5 plus 14. Addition operation will be performed. 5 plus 14 is 19. 19 minus 3 is 16. 16 that is not equal to 21. So this option, first option is not correct, as it is not equal to 21. Then we will go to the second expression B. Second option, that is B. We have to solve this second option. Now we solve second option, that is B. Second option B is 5 plus 7 multiplication with 2 minus 3. 2 minus 3 is inside the parenthesis. So according to Bodmas rule, first bracket operation will be performed. That is the parenthesis 2 minus 3 is 1. 2 minus 3 is minus 1. Then 5 plus 7 multiplied with minus 1. Then multiplication, according to Bodmas rule, multiplication have a higher priority than addition. So first multiplication operation will be performed. 7 multiplied with minus 1 is minus 7. Then 5 plus minus 7. 5 plus minus 7 is minus 5 minus 7. Plus minus is minus. So 5 minus 7. Then subtraction operation will be performed. 5 minus 7 is minus 2. And minus 2 not equal to 21. So second option B is also incorrect. Then we will solve the third option, that is C. Now we solve third option C. Third option C is 5 plus 7, that is inside the parenthesis, multiplied with 2 minus 3. So according to Bodmas rule, first bracket operation will be performed. So 5 plus 7 is 12. Then 12 multiplied with 2 minus 3. According to Bodmas rule, first multiplication operation will be performed, as multiplication has higher priority than subtraction. So 12 multiplied with 2 is 24. Then 24 minus 3. Then subtraction operation will be performed. So 24 minus 3 is 21. And 21 that is equal to 21. That is the right hand side. So value of this expression we get 21, that is equal to the right hand side, that is 21. So option C is correct, as we get 21, that is equal to the right hand side. Now solve question option D. 5 plus 7 multiplied with 2 minus 3. 7 multiplied with 2 minus 3, that is inside the parenthesis. So first parenthesis bracket operation will be performed. 7 multiplied with 2 minus 3. First multiplication have higher priority than subtraction. So first multiplication will be performed. 7 multiplied with 2 is 14. 14 minus 3, that is inside the parenthesis. Then subtraction operation will be performed, that is inside the parenthesis. 14 minus 3 is 11. 5 plus 11 is 16. 16 which is not equal to 21. So this fourth option D is also incorrect. So option C is only the correct option of this expression. Option C is correct. Now we solve question number 9. Question number 9 is also a multiple choice question. What mathematical operation should replace question mark in this equation? 2 question mark 6 minus 12 division of 4 plus 2 equal to 11. Here we have to find out the operation of this question mark. These four these four operations are given and we have to find out the which operation will be replaced in this question mark. If we first we replace plus operation with the question mark, what will be the value of this expression, that will be find out. 2 plus 6 minus 12, in this question mark we replace plus. So 2 plus 6 minus 12 division of 4 plus 2. 2 plus 6 minus 12. Here in this expression division has a higher priority. So division operation will be performed first. So 12 minus 12 division of 4 is 3. So 2 plus 6 minus 3 plus 2. Then here addition and subtraction operation are there. They have equal priority. So equal priority operation performed from left to right. So first 2 plus 6, that is left to right. So first 2 plus 6 will be performed. 2 plus 6 is 8. 8 minus 3 plus 2. 2. Subtraction and addition both have equal priority. So they perform from left to right. So first 8 minus 3 will be performed. 8 minus 3 is 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. 7, that is not equal to 11, which is the right hand side expression. Right hand side, in this expression we have right hand side 11 is there. So 7 we get when we replace plus in this question mark, we get 7, which is not equal to 11, that is not equal to the right hand side. Then we will go for the second option B. We replace the operation minus symbol with question mark in this expression. Now we replace minus symbol, that is in the option B, minus symbol with the question mark. So the expression will be 2 minus 6 minus 12 division of 4 plus 2. So here subtraction and division and addition operation are there. So according to BODMAS rule, first division operation will be performed. So 12 division of 4 is 3. 2 minus 6 minus 3 plus 2. From BODMAS rule, addition and subtraction have equal priority. So equal priority operation are performed from left to right. So first 2 minus 6 will be performed. 2 minus 6 is minus 4. Minus 4 minus 3 plus 2. Then subtraction and addition both have equal priority. So equal priority operation are performed from left to right. So first minus 4 minus 3 operation will be performed. Minus 4 minus 3 is minus 7. It's both are in negative integer. So just add these integer 4 plus 7, 4 plus 3 and add the negative negative sign. So 4 plus 3 is 7 and both are negative integers, so negative sign, so just add the negative symbol. So we get minus 4 minus 3 is minus 7, minus 7 plus 2, minus 7 plus 2, subtract 2 from 7, 7 minus 2 is 5 and add the sign of the bigger number. Here bigger number is 7 and bigger number sign is minus. So we get minus 7 plus 2 is minus 5 and minus 5 is not equal to 11. That is not equal to the right hand side. Now we replace multiplication symbol, that is option C, with question mark. So the expression becomes 2 multiplication of 6. We replace multiplication symbol in question mark. So 2 multiplication of 6 minus 12 division of 4 plus 2. Here multiplication, division and addition and subtraction operation are there. So according to Bodmas rule, first multiplication and division will be performed, then addition and subtraction. Here multiplication and division are operation performed. So multiplication and division have equal priority. So they perform from left to right. So first multiplication, 2 multiplied with 6 will be performed. 2 multiplied with 6 is 12. 12 minus 12 division of 4 plus 2. Then division operation will be performed. So 12 division of 4 is 3. So we get 12 minus 3 plus 2. 12 minus 3 plus 2. Addition and subtraction have equal priority, so they perform from left to right. So 12 minus 3 is 9. 9 plus 2. 9 plus 2 is 11, which is equal to the right hand side. So option C is the correct operation, that is the multiplication. We replace the multiplication symbol in this expression. So option C is the correct to replace multiplication with question mark. Now we solve question number 10. Question number 10 is a high order thinking skills horse question. What is the value of 64 division of 8, division of 4, division of 2? Here all are division operation. So according to Bodmas rule, division operation will be performed from left to right. So first 64 division of 8 operation will be performed. 64 division of 8 is 8. Then 8 division of 4 operation will be performed. 8 division of 4 is 2. Then 2 division of 2. 2 division of 2 is 1. 2 divided by 2 is 1. So we get the value of this expression 64 division of 8 division of 4 division of 2 is 1. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you have any doubts, then please write in comment section and I will reply. Keep learning, keep watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you. If you like this video, then please click the like button and share this. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting notifications of future videos. If you have any doubts, then please write in comment section and I will reply. Keep learning, keep watching, and thanks for watching. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.